Welcome to the Outdoor Display Showroom. In today's episode we're going to take a look at the very popular Zoom Light range of flags. Now here we have a selection of the Zoom Light range. Now the smallest size we offer is a 2.8 metre flag. Now the great thing with the Zoom Light range is each piece of hardware you can create 3 different graphic shapes. So on this example here we have the feather shape. You can also create the crest and a quill shape as well. So within the Zoom Light range we have the 2.8 metre, we have 3.4 and we're highlighting a crest version here. Go through the range to the 4.5, which we're showing a feather shape, and then the largest of our flag range, which is the 5.6, and we're showing the quill here. Now, as you can see on both versions of the flag, you can choose between a black pole pocket or a white pole pocket. The choice is obviously yours. Very, very lightweight, very flexible, ideal for use on obviously beaches as we have here, outside retail shops, garages. There is a plethora of uses for this most popular flag, available in stock in a multiple of sizes, different bases depending on which environment you want to use it for. So obviously here we have the ground spike, we have a flat concrete base for tarmac, and at the back there we have a corkscrew for sand or snow. As I said, very popular, very, very versatile, great addition to any shop or beach environment. The Zoom Light range of flags is a great addition to any outdoor event. Proven very, very popular, obviously with beaches as we see here, music festivals, concerts, outdoor exhibitions, retail environments such as garage forecourts, car dealerships. Because we offer such a great range of sizes and different shapes, they're becoming very, very popular. Price wise, again, very, very competitive, so you can offer the full complete service with the graphics. In stock, available now, ready to go. Thanks for watching and see you soon.